Hey guys, so in this demo, I'm going to show you how I replicated order confirmation experience that usually is built around e-commerce platforms like Woo or Shopify. What if you don't have access to Shopify? What do you do as a small business owner? So I decided to replicate this experience using HubSpot's free plan. The workflow is that when the person makes the order, they get a confirmation email and then they get sent to a thank you page as well as a page where they can track their order. I did all this using HubSpot and I'm going to show you. So first thing I did was to create the order form, and you can create a form when you come here under marketing and you click on forms. And the reason HubSpot is very good for this is because when the form is submitted, when the person places the order, let's imagine that maybe you have your items on your website or on a social platform, maybe like Facebook or Instagram. When the person submits the form for their purchase, it automatically comes as a contact. It saves as a contact in your CRM, so which is good. From there, you can keep track of all your customer details, their email, and their purchase history. So this is very good for a small business owner and for anyone that doesn't have access to Shopify. Okay, so let me show you the form. So this is the form, and because I've tested it, that's why we have this analytics here. Okay, so let's open the form and submit. Let's change this name to Haley Johnson. So I'll leave this email as this, and then they can choose what they want to buy. So let's change it to surfing board, and maybe the quantity 3, and the total is going to be 3 times 150, so that will be 450. Total amount will be 450. The address is 11 Maple Street, Janet Avenue. The city, let's say Lagoon. Zip code, country, let's say USA. It's well set up. It's going to automatically come with order number. You agree, I agree, and let's place the order and see what happens. So when the order is placed, it brings you to order confirmation page. Okay, HubSpot doesn't actually have the personalization feature on the landing page, so I could only do that on when I was creating the email. So this is just to show you that yes, you can direct the person to a real landing page, okay, that will show them their order summary, right? I linked it for them to be able to track their order. So when you click on it, it will take you to a page where you can track your order. So these are the details you will get. You can put the tracking details here if you are working with a shipping company. This is one of the submissions I made and I received this email. So let me go to the email I used for this particular one. So let's see if we received the email. Okay, so the email has been delivered. So this is the email, and you can see, okay, Haley, thanks Haley, your order has been received, and this is the quantity we chose, this is the product, so everything is here. The shipping info, so the first and the last name, Haley John, and the street, so everything is here, and she'll be able to track her order by clicking here. It will take her to the tracking page, right? So which is seamless and beautiful. So this is what you can achieve with HubSpot's free plan without paying for a Shopify store. If you are a business owner and you sell things online, you can use this. So it can be a product, can be physical product, it can be a service. So any type of business you are into, this is a good workflow that you can set up for yourself. All right, so this is the order confirmation email, and I'm going to show you how I set it up to be able to send a automated email to customers that place order using the form. So what I did was I created a segment. Okay, so I did that by coming here and creating a new segment. So segment is like a group of customers or contacts. So what I did was I came here and filtered it to those who submit the form to place an order. So this is the order form. Anytime an order is placed using this form, okay, their contact will be added to this segment. Stride is the name of the company, so Stride orders. So that will be the segment. So I just wanted to show you how to do this, so you can review and save. Okay, so this is the one I just created. Hope to share more in my next video. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Bye bye.